In one of my recent videos, I shared with you how we bought our houses here in the UK step by step. In this particular video, I want to take a bit further and share the key things you need to bear in mind before venturing to home ownership. From budgeting and mortgage tips, no one tells you about deposit maintenance and hidden costs. If you want something you can follow along with, I've created a first-time home buyer guide. It consists of a full checklist, planner, and list of questions you can ask before you buy. And to get them, you can download them from my Beacon bio, just by my YouTube profile after watching this video. Whether you are saving to your first property or you're in the process of viewing properties, this video will help you make smarter choices and avoid making costly mistakes. And for those who are meeting me for the first time, I'm Jane Chizo, and a quick disclaimer, I'm not a mortgage advisor and I'm not a financial advisor either. I'm just sharing my experience so you can make smarter moves, save money, and protect your peace. So here are some of the things I wish I knew before venturing to home ownership. The first on my list is having a bigger deposit, even if it takes longer for you to save. And I know saving a deposit feels endless, but the bigger it is, the better your deal. A 10 to 15% deposit instead of 5% can get you lower interest rate, as you know, reduce your monthly payment, and help you qualify for better mortgage products. And remember, patience here is literally saves you thousands of pounds over time. So just try and see if you can save a bit more before you get into buying your property. So the second thing that I wish I knew before venturing to ownership is that one shouldn't buy the most expensive house you qualify for. This is one of the biggest traps the first-time buyers falls into. The bank might approve you for 300,000, but that doesn't mean you should spend it all. Your mortgage shouldn't take over your life, and you should still obviously want to have some money for travel, eat out, and live. So stick to the rule, the 30% rule. Your total housing cost shouldn't exceed 30% of your income. And that keeps your finance balanced and your lifestyle sustainable. The third thing is to budget for hidden and extra costs. Remember, your mortgage is just half the story. You still need to cover for your maintenance, your solicitor fees, your survey and evaluation, your stamp duty, moving and furnitures, insurance. I've mentioned maintenance, and maintenance you should set aside at least about 1% of your property value per year. For us, we tend to have the insurance to cover all that, so we pay at least some money towards some insurance to help us in case if you have a broken boiler or plumbing issues, they'll come and sort it out. So bear that in mind. This extra, catches a lot of buyers off guard. So budgeting ahead, and obviously avoiding nasty surprises is very vital. Next thing on the list is for you to research the market and compare lenders. Before you commit, research everything: the area, the lender, the current interest rate, compare offers, as well as customer reviews on the site. Some banks offer cashback to first-time buyers, and others have lower, legal fees. Don't just go with the first lender that says yes. Your interest rate could affect your payment for decades. So take your time to do your due diligence. So the fifth thing is for you to choose a fixed rate mortgage for stability. Mortgage rates can fluctuate, and when you're just starting out, you also want stability. So a fixed mortgage rate locks your payment for a set period of time, sometimes start with 2 years to 3 years, even up to 5 years, so you don't want any sudden jumps or surprises. So it helps you to plan, budget, and breathe easily. Number 6 things I wish I knew before I venture into property is, well, I kind of know this one, but it's important for you to buy with a resale, plan in mind. Even if you're thinking that, this is your forever home, buy with strategy. Ask yourself this question: will this property gain value in the next 5 to 10 years? Is it near good transport link, good schools or development? Could I rent it out at later stage if life changes? Think long term. The best property decisions are both, emotionally and financially. So think twice. Another thing that I wish I knew is that there is flexibility in terms of negotiating everything. Yes, everything. But it helped me because obviously when we bought our second property, I was able to get us about £13,000. Yes. When I told people that bought after us, they were surprised. I got £13,000 because they were making, they had a deal that time, and I did push for it. So, guys, because after other properties that we had, obviously I learned from that. So most people just accept the asking price. Is a big mistake. Yeah, very important. So even if you're in a competitive market, maybe you can still negotiate. Don't be afraid, whether it's for a lower price, furniture included, or the seller covering certain fees. So, like it happened to us, a confident and a polite offer can easily save you thousands of pounds. So, and money can obviously go straight into your savings. So, just go for it. Negotiate everything. Yes, everything. Last thing on my list is to have a maintenance and emergency fund. Once you own a home, things break and it's all on you. Yes, keep a maintenance funds ready, and about, like I said, 1% of your home value. It might sound small, but it saves you a lot of stress. When things like boilers or maybe plumbing issues start to act out. So, guys, just bear that in mind. Keep that money away. It will save you a lot of trouble. So guys, there you have it, the real things you need to know before buying your first home in the UK. Remember, it's not just about getting a mortgage, it's about protecting your lifestyle and your future. If you're serious about buying soon, grab my first time home buyer guide. It's a full breakdown of everything from deposit planning to checklist to your mortgage meeting. So you can actually download it instantly from my Beacon bio, just by my YouTube profile. And guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put your notification bell on so you know when next I post. And guys, please share with your friends, right? And tell me in the comment section where you are in your home buying journey. For that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.